Good day all. To convert the given galvanometer into an ammeter of a desired range and to verify the same. Apparatus required: a battery eliminator, one-way key, ammeter, galvanometer, rheostat and the connecting wires. Theory: the shunt resistance required for conversion S, which is equal to Ig G whole divided by I minus Ig, where I is the range of conversion, and you may see the circuit diagram. It consists of battery eliminator, key, rheostat, ammeter and the galvanometer, all are in the series, and which are all the wire we are going to take and use it as a shunt. The value of shunt resistance S is usually very small, and a resistance box of that range is not available. So we can take some wire like copper, constant, or a magnet wire, a suitable diameter and the length. We can take it and kept parallel with the galvanometer. Let us see the connections. Yes, from battery negative to one-way key, one end of the one-way key, first we can connect. Other end of the one-way key to the rheostat lower end. You can connect here also. And from upper end of the rheostat to one end of the galvanometer, other end of the galvanometer to the negative of ammeter, from the positive of ammeter to the battery positive. Now you have to connect the shunt wire parallel to the galvanometer. I have taken the length of 22 because I'll take 20 centimeter for that, for 1 centimeter maybe for the connections. So approximately we have taken 20 centimeter length of a shunt wire. Yes, now connections are over. Now switch it on the battery and insert the one-way plug key. Now make the electrical connections, everything proper. Then you can adjust the rheostat of the galvanometer, then it will show the full deflection. Now for the galvanometer scale you may adjust it, and also you have to notice the corresponding reading for the ammeter. Now here I kept for 20 in the galvanometer. Then you may notice that the ammeter, that is for the corresponding value 2. Like that, if you have changed the rheostat, you may get a different value. We can fetch the value in the tabular column. See the tabular column for the verification of converted ammeter. So we got different values for the deflection. Notice the tabular column. Let us see the calculation for the shunt resistance S. See, required shunt resistance S, which is equal to IgG by I minus Ig. We know that Ig, which is current required for the full deflection. The K value, which we have to taken from the before experiment we done, the figure of merit, that we have taken from that is K, which is equal to 0.00000137, and G value, that is resistance of the galvanometer, 91.2 ohm, that is also I have taken, and I, which is equal to 3 ampere, as we want to convert the galvanometer range. So S, which is equal to all the values, we have to fetch it. Then we got 0.01253 ohm. To find the length of the shunt wire, the formula L, which is equal to pi r squared S by rho. Pi value we know that 3.14. R squared, that is the diameter of the wire, I have taken with the help of the screw gauge. So 0.35 into 10 power minus 3 is the radius square. Into S value, we now only calculated 0.01253 whole divided by the rho, which is the standard value 1.7 into 10 power minus 8. So we got length, which is equal to 28 centimeter approximately. Result, as the difference in actual and measured value of occurrence is very small, the conversion is perfect.